How to limit battery usage for apps on a Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung S25 series. In this video, I will show you 4 different methods so you can organize application to running the background application, sometimes running the application that will helpful to improve the battery life also on your Samsung device. So let's see how to stop app usage battery in the background. Open the app drawer on your device, tap the settings app. Now scroll down up to battery, tap on a battery. Here you can see the background usage limit option. Tap on it. Now here you can see the 4 different apps option to limit the battery usage for specific app you don't use on your Samsung device. So let's see one by one. First one, put unused app to sleep. By default, enable this option. So automatically add application you don't use will add this put unused app into lips. Second, never auto sleeping apps. So in this application, you can add application that will never run on sleeping. It means regularly used application you can add in this list. Third option, sleeping apps. Tap on it. Sleeping apps will run in the background only occasionally. Update and notification may be delay. So here you can tap on a plus icon. Select the application you want to add. Select. So here we select the this, tap on add. Now sleeping apps will never run in the background, so this application will never run in the background, only occasionally run when you open it. So you can add multiple apps if you don't want to use it regularly. And the last one is the best, deep sleeping apps. Tap on it. These sleeping apps will never run in the background and may not receive any update or notification. They will only work when you open them. So you can add multiple application here you sometimes only use. So tap on a plus icon, select the application you sometimes only monthly or 15 days you can use. So here we select this avatar, tap on add. Now these apps will never run in the background. That will helpful to improve the battery life on your Samsung device. So this is the all 4 option that will helpful to limit the battery usage for application on a Samsung S25 Ultra or any other latest Samsung device. That's it. If you like it, share it.